Alright, here is prototype number 3. I have a few modes now. We got the fancy blink mode, got it all off. Really extremely bright mode. We got the around the clock, and then back to just normal pulsing. So, oh, I also got the turn signals on here. So there's left, and then right is the other way. But hit right. Yep. Looks kind of cool. Anyway, you can see here, the package is getting smaller and smaller. So I got the layout here with the TLC on the top, and here we'll turn it off. Let's get an off switch back here for now. Oh, and there's a cancel button up here for canceling left and right turn signals. But right here's your right now the left, the right, the mode, the Atmega 328P PU, and the TLC 5940. We've got the rest of that junk. This isn't installed yet. This is going to be where the RF24 goes, and this is where the audio modem is going to go. So that's it in a nutshell. Yet it is not shelled yet. You can see it's very not shelled yet. We got to put a nice cover on this and a little attachment to get on the bike. Alright, thank you very much.